In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track progress with progress bars on Monday.com. We're going to walk through how to set up a progress tracking column, customize it, and make sure it actually reflects the real status of your work. By the end, you'll have a visual progress bar that automatically updates as tasks move forward. First, open the board where you want to track progress. Think of this as your main workspace, where you already have your tasks or items listed. At the top of your board, look for the option to add a new column. Click the plus icon to add a column. This is where we'll create the progress bar that will summarize how far along each item is. From the list of column types, choose Progress Tracking. This special column type is designed to turn the information from other columns, like status or checkboxes, into a visual progress bar. Once you select it, you'll see a new column appear on your board, usually showing a percentage and a colored bar for each item. Now we'll customize how that progress is calculated so it's accurate for your workflow. Hover over the header of the new progress tracking column and click on it. Then open the menu by clicking the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. From there, go to Settings and choose Customize Progress Tracking column. A settings panel will open, and this is where the real magic happens. You'll see an option to select columns. Here, you need to choose which existing columns will be used to calculate the progress. Typically, you'll select status columns like Not Started, Working on It, and Done, or checkbox columns if you're using simple yes or no completion markers. Check the boxes next to all the columns that should count toward completion of that item. Next, you'll see an option to Define Weight. This step is optional, but very powerful. By default, each selected column is weighted equally. If every step in your process is equally important, you can leave it as is. But if some steps matter more than others, you can assign a higher percentage to them. For example, you might give final approval a higher weight than an initial review. This way, the progress bar will move more when those key stages are completed. Once you're done, close the settings. Now, as you update your status or checkbox columns, you'll see the progress bar automatically adjust, giving you a clear, visual snapshot of how each item is moving along.